Okay, in response to the question on how to place inner pocket for Buba top, it's just as easy as A and B and C. What you just need to do, immediately you have your cutout. Let's assume you have your cutout already done like so. You remember that this is the what? This is the chest point, and the chest point and the hips, they are always what? They are always equal. Okay. Now, all you just need to do is to measure 5 inches away from the chest point. Let's assume that this is our 5 inches away from the chest point. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Let's assume that these are 5 inches away from the chest point. This is where your pocket will start, your pocket mount will start. Then from there you measure 7 inches. Let's assume the 7 inches stops here. So this is where your pocket mount will be. So if this is your pocket mount, please take note. If this is your pocket mount, that means that when you put your hand into this pocket, there will be an inner part of this pocket dropping down to this point, isn't it? Okay. So if that be, that means the pocket that you are going to attach at the back here, the pocket that you are going to sew to this point here at the back here, will drop down to somewhere around the hips line. Okay. The question now is, what determines where this pocket will stop? This is very simple. You come to the base. You come to the base of your cutout. You measure 7 inches. You come to the base of your cutout. You measure 7 inches. The reason for the measurement of that 7 inches is that 2 out of that 7 will go for turn up, isn't it? Thereby it's going to be remaining 5 inches. It's going to be remaining 5 inches for this part here. That means that the 5 inches that is going to be remaining, this is for your turn up here. When I say turn up, I'm talking of the M line. When you M your Buba top like so, that means you are going to be having 5 inches remaining. So therefore, it is this 5 inches that is remaining that is going to be your what? Your slit. That is going to house your slit from here all the way down. Hello? That means that this is the pocket mount, and from this point to this point is where you are going to have your inner pocket, that whether you are putting your pen or whatever you are putting in the pocket, that's where it's going to stay. So this is just my little pattern explanation on this. Okay, please take note of this. What I was just trying to explain before is from this point, from the chest point here, 5 inches from the chest point, you will have your what? You have the start-up point for the pocket opening, and your pocket opening is usually 7 inches. Okay, you have your 7 inches here. Then between this part and this part that you are seeing, which is what we have sketched here, is your inner pocket. That's what houses anything you are putting into your pocket. So it's constructed like so. Usually the process is that you will join your front and back panel together. You join your front and back panel together before you place your pocket in this manner. So what you just do is to measure like 9 inches by 13.5 or 14, depending on how big the person is, but standard should not be more than 14. So 9 inches wide, then what's it called, 13.5. And please, to do that, I'll just dismember this, because I think I'm through explaining with it. Let's assume you have your 9 inches. Let's assume you have your 9 inches wide, 9 inches wide, and what's it called, and 13.5 inches, like so. Because of the way that the shape of the side is, so you might just need to do some simple cut. What do you want to do there? It's just for you to have your slanty edge this way, then your pocket continues this way. So this is something that is very easy to follow. You just slant the pocket like so. Okay, so you have it like so. So at the end of the day, when you want to fix it into the main body of the Buba, all you just need to do is have it this way. You can imagine. So you just sew down this way, sew down this way, sew down this way. Okay, so this, you remember when I was explaining where where the sketch or where the pattern, I told you that you go and measure 7 inches from below. What I meant there is that out of that 7, 2 inches will be for this turn up you are looking at. 2 inches will be for this turn up you are looking at here. Then the remaining 5 inches will be for this our slanted side, our slanty opening. So you take the remaining one in. So thank you very much.